Hello everyone, this is Yi from Gospel Boat. Today I would like to share this one, 7.5 meter Profisher boat. You can see on the whole boat, we weld the frame to protect the whole boat when delivery. When you receive the boat, you need to cut off the frame on the bottom and polish them with small tools carefully. Then put the cabin roof on the whole boat. And I will show you where you assemble the whole boat and the cabin roof together. You can see the hole, the screws, the bolts easily. And next, we will share the details cabin layout of this one, then the loading pictures for your reference. First, show you around the whole boat. Well, when you receive the boat, you can see here, cut off this welding and then polish this surface carefully. This one, the client select the aluminum roof to the stern, so can cover the whole deck. Also the side door. Next, we will go on board and show you more. For this boat, the client select single engine transom. It is okay if you would like to install twin engines. You can let us know before building. And here, the place for the ladder. We will install that later. On the bottom here, we upgrade the underwater light currently to be a better quality, a colorful one. And I can show you the video about the underwater light separately if you have interest about that. Okay, next for the aluminum hatch on the stern, I will show you them and then go on board. For the stern aluminum hatch, we upgrade that to the aluminum one instead of plastic one. Some clients would like to know if they can change it for the one you buy before. It is okay. It is with the same size, and you just need to replace them with the aluminum hatch. For this one, the client select the open deck so they can do fishing in every place of the boat and see the great review on the whole boat. Above the captain seat, passenger seat, the client select the small hatch so can have the fresh air into the captain seat, passenger seat place. For the front relaxing area, it is the glass door for relaxing area, so which can provide more privacy when you sleep there, relax there, and use the marine toilet there. Of course, the marine toilet is optional. You can select to provide by us or buy one in local. Some clients also select the portable marine toilet. You can see which one you prefer. For the storage box, we will put cushions on it so people can sit here. It is okay if you would like the larger storage box to the wall. Here, that's the place we mentioned before. You could assemble the whole boat and the cabin roof by both here. Here is the whole place. Here. Here, you can see them conveniently on the whole boat. Also sliding window. When you put the cabin roof on, you assemble them by both here. Then glue around the window place to make it waterproof. You can see the rubber here. The relaxing area. We will put cushions on it as well. When delivery, we will not put them. We will put it into containers separately. This is another upgrade we made on the boat with two cup holders here and also put a tick here. to protect from some reflection and avoid from some clearing noise. On the stern, the client add a table here. It's a removable table, and you can adjust the height by this edge here. So when you sit on the fold-down benches here, put some drinks, beers, or put some stuff here, or put your phone here. So you can enjoy the fishing, the sitting, and the day on the sea more enjoyable. And also you can adjust the table degree. Okay, you can see if this one needed on your boat. This is optional and a removable table. On the stern, it's one of our regular design, the fold-down seat here. And the battery box, cutting board. The client selects the aluminum roof to the stern. We can see the bolts here. That is how we do the assemble to support the aluminum roof to the stern. When delivery, we will remove it. When receiving, you need to assemble them by bolts. If you would like to weld this one together and weld the cabin roof on the whole boat together, we can do that as well. And for that boat, it will be delivered by the flat rate container as the too tall to deliver them by the 4-foot container. So please let me know before building which one you prefer. The aluminum roof, the extended sunshade, or you would like to deliver them by the 4-foot container, or you would like to save the work when receiving and you would like to deliver them by the flat rate container. You can decide which way you prefer. The removable table. On the cabin roof, the client added 2 deck lights like this. Usually some clients will add them on the deck place, or they can put the cabin light like this. You can let us know which one you prefer. For this boat, the client selects the side door so they can go on board more conveniently. For this one, you can open them and fixed by this hook. Open like this. For some clients who would like the larger size, the side door, so can have the wheelchair into this boat, then it will need the wider side door, so cannot open like this, maybe to 100 degrees. So you can let us know if you have special requirement of this side door, so we can say if we need to communicate with the engineer about that. Well, that's the basic layout of this 7.5 meter Profisher boat with open deck. Next, we will share the loading video, loading pictures for your reference. If you have any requirements or info needed, you can leave me notes on my YouTube channel. If you would like to know the price for this one, you can contact me by my email, WhatsApp. Now the container arrives. We separate the cabin roof and whole boat as well. Then we'll load them into container one by one. First, the cabin roof. Next, the whole boat. First, we have the cabin roof inside the container. Next, the whole boat. First, the cabin roof inside container. Next, the whole boat. Now we load the whole boat into container. Next, the chiller parts.